see it up, especially a lot around like Wales. I've seen it a lot where they've got
Yorkshire way.
Yeah, like it's less bricks, because the reason is walls like this they have to do it 2 layers to keep it sturdy. But when it's curvy, you only need 1 layer of bricks.
Because it's because you've got more space.
But it looks a bit funny because it's a wall that's like doing this.
Out, isn't it?
Really nice drive.
Turn round.
Turn around.
It's easier to get to.
Ooh. Look at the flow. Oh, follow the froggy. Yay.
Shop, exit toilets and bar down the second door to the left.
Okay.
The first door to the left is the exit from the shop and the
That's fine.
eating area that allows you to come back through and loop back through to the rainforest.
Easy enough.
Once you head into the rainforest, it's into the left, following the arrows on the ground up round to the small islands, then back down round to the Amazonica, usually a couple of laps to that to get everything in.
Okay.
Oh, it is spoiling. No, I was right.
Look.
Oh, is that? Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Edward won't be able to see that.
Yeah. Can we see a sloth with a grumpy face? oh, and that's a big cockroaches.
Oh, wow, look at the cockroach up there. Look at them. See them?
Yeah, let's take a picture over a shroud. Ooh. Would there be any snaky? Frog. A blue frog.
Where's the frog?
Where's the froggy? Oh,
Blue, right there.
oh yeah, blue.
Blue frog.
Blue.
Frogs. They're arrow-tipped poison frogs.
Oh dear. What can we see? What is in here? Oh, it should be quite big then. Oh, fishes! And if you go lower, you can see.
On the bed, on the floor. Look at the size of it. Have you seen it?
Oh dear. Oh, here.
See, it's a bird.
Wait.
Can you see any bugs in there?
Oh, that's a turtle. slush of it somewhere in here.
Yeah, it probably is.
Oh, and look! Is it laying eggs?
There's one behind it.
Oh, there's a bird on the floor.
He's following it.
This side, yeah. Oh,
He doesn't know what to look at.
no.
He's smiling. Is he smiling?
Yeah.